All right, we are going to do third time's a charm today. So let's write our words and then you can go back and write them again. Our first word is third. Third. Number 2, burn. Burn. Number 3, chirp. Chirp. Number 4, fern. Fern. Number 5, first. First. Number 6, hurt. Number 7, far. Number 8, fork. Fork. Number 9, star. Star. And the last one is barn. Barn. So now that you have the words, please go back and write them 3 times. When you're all done, it should look like this. That sure is a lot of writing, and you did great, boys and girls. So I'm going to switch this and put that over there, and now we're going to do this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to circle the words and write them where they go. So, the bird will chirp. So circle bird and chirp. My purse is dirty. Dirty. Purse, dirty. Number 3, my dog has curly fur. That girl can surf. Good. Now you just write them where they go. So bird, chirp, purse, dirty, curly, fur, girl, and surf. Nice job, boys and girls. Then go ahead and make sure your name is at the top and turn it into your teacher.